Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Basic statistics course is the need of the hour. That course is essential for getting the job of a statistical officer, statistician, subject specialist, statistics lecturer, and research officer. Dear students, today we are going to discuss lecture number 15 of that course. Before starting today's lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel, and click the bell icon for the notifications of the next important videos. Let's start. Question number 1 is a Poisson random variable has mu4, fourth moment about mean is equal to 2. The value of its mean is, we know mu4 is equal to lambda plus 3 lambda square. That is the formula of fourth central moment in the Poisson distribution, and mu4 is given, that is 2. 2 is equal to lambda plus 3 lambda square. If I shift that 2 on the right side, 3 lambda square plus lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we will do factorization. 3 lambda square plus 3 lambda minus 2 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. 3 lambda is common. Lambda plus 1 minus 2 is common. Lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. 3 lambda minus 2 into lambda plus 1 equal to 0. 3 lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to 2 by 3. And lambda is the parameter of the Poisson distribution, and that is equal to mean. Mean is equal to 2 by 3 will be the correct option in the exam. Question number 2 is the coefficient of variation of Poisson distribution with the mean is equal to 4 is C dot V. We are to find it is S over X bar, and mean is given, that is 4. We know in Poisson distribution mean is equal to variance, and that is given, it is equal to 4. It means standard deviation will be under root 4, that will be 2. Now just substitute the values. S is 2, 2 by mean is 4. It means 1 by 2 will be the correct option in the exam. Question number 3 is the probability mass function of the Poisson variate is, we know its probability mass function is e raised to power minus lambda multiplied by lambda raised to power x over x factorial, where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on till infinity. Dear students, please keep in mind, in the last lectures we discussed binomial distribution and hypergeometric distribution. The range of the binomial variate and hypergeometric variate is from x is equal to 0 to n, but in Poisson distribution the range of x is 0 to plus infinity. That is a very important concept of the basic statistics course. Question number 4 is in a Poisson distribution with mean m, the value of probability x greater than 0 is, there are 4 options. We know probability x greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus probability x less than equal to 0. Dear students, we know in Poisson distribution the range of x is 0 to infinity. It cannot take any negative number. It means y 1 minus probability x is equal to 0. We are to find the probability of x is equal to 0. Then we will subtract the answer from 1. Probability x is equal to 0 equal to e raised to power minus m, because m is the mean which is given. E raised to power minus m, m raised to power 0 over 0 factorial. Power is 0, it means that is 1. E raised to power minus m over 0 factorial means 1. Now 1 minus e raised to power minus m will be the correct option in the exam. It means B part is the correct one. Question number 5 is let x have Poisson distribution such that 2 multiply probability x is equal to 2 is equal to 3 multiplied by probability x is equal to 3, then expectation of x, which is mean, is, we know, 2 multiply, just apply the formula, e raised to power minus lambda, lambda raised to power x, x is 2 over 2 factorial is equal to 3 multiply e raised to power minus lambda, lambda power 3 over 3 factorial, e raised to power minus lambda will be cancelled with this much, lambda square will be cancelled with the power of lambda, and 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and 3 factorial means it is 6 actually, 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, that will be cancelled with this. Now what is left? 2 will be multiplied on the left side, 2 is equal to lambda, lambda is equal to 2, and lambda is the mean actually in Poisson distribution. It means expectation of x is equal to 2. 2 will be the correct option in the exam. A very important multiple choice question. Question number 6 is, if x1 and x2 are independent Poisson variates with probability x1 is equal to 2 is equal to probability x1 is equal to 1 and probability x2 is equal to 2 is equal to probability x2 is equal to 3, then variance of x1 minus 2x2. If you apply the variance on this much, it means variance of x1 plus 4 variance of x2, sigma 1 square plus 4 sigma 2 square. It is our target, and two equations are given. First of all, I will take the help of this equation. Probability x1 is equal to 2 means e raised to power minus lambda, lambda square over 2 factorial is equal to e raised to power minus lambda, lambda over 1 factorial. If you cancel these two, lambda will be cancelled with the power and lambda will be equal to 2. Now take the help of this equation, e raised to power minus lambda 2 square over 2 factorial equal to e raised to power minus lambda 3 e raised to power minus lambda 2 power 3 over 3 factorial. Just cancel, these will be cancelled. 3 factorial means 6 actually, 6 will be here over 2 is equal to lambda 2 is equal to 3. Now just substitute in this much. We know in Poisson distribution mean and variance are equal. It means variance is equal to 2. 2 plus 4 times variance is 3. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. A very important and conceptual question of all the papers of statistics. 14 will be the correct option in the exam. Question number 7, a very important one. For the Poisson distribution, first 3 central moments are equal. Please keep in mind, mu1 is equal to mu2 is equal to mu3, and these 3 are equal to the parameter which is lambda. A very important question of the paper. Question number 8 is, Poisson distribution is always A part positively skewed, B part negatively skewed, C symmetrical, 4 none of the above. Dear students, please keep in mind, Poisson distribution is always positively skewed. Question number 9 is, a multiple choice test has 15 questions. Each question has 4 possible answers. Suppose a student randomly guesses the answer of each question. What is the probability that the student will answer all 15 questions correctly? Dear students, when there are 4 options A, B, C and D, and the probability of answering all 15 questions correctly will be 1 by 4 raised to power 15. It can also be written as 1 by 4 raised to power 15. That will be the correct option in the exam. Question number 10 is, the number of people coming in a utility store in a 10-minute interval is the best modeled using A part binomial distribution, B hypergeometric distribution, C Poisson distribution, D none of the above. Dear students, when a number of people come in a utility store or in a bank or in an office in a short time interval, 10 minutes interval, 15 minutes interval, then Poisson distribution will be the correct option. It means C is the correct option in the exam. Now, question number 11, which is the last question of today's lecture, is the number of twins births in a hospital follows A, binomial distribution, B, normal distribution, C, Poisson distribution, D, none of the above. C will be the correct option in the exam. The number of twins births in a hospital follows Poisson distribution. Assalamu alaikum.